This weekend, students are being asked to complete a couple of vocabulary pages for science class. This assignment was given earlier in the week. However, after looking over some student work, it appears that not many students have gotten started on this. So I've made some accommodations and some different options, and hopefully this video will help make it easier to complete this assignment at home. Each student has a green science spiral that they can record these vocabulary pages in if they choose. I also have created a digital copy of this as well for students who struggle with handwriting or just find digital formats a little more engaging. However, I will explain that at the end of this video. So the first thing that you're going to need to check is that the cover page is just the front of the notebook. So here's an example from Mrs. Schmidt. She's a Team 6-1 teacher. So again, this is the outside of the green spiral. The second page should be an example that was completed in class. So this example of a vocab word was science. You can see on the page all the different directions. Write the vocabulary word on the page, write other words from the same family on the page, and then write the part of speech for the word. So this is a sample, and I've also downloaded and PDF'd this example, and it's attached to this email. The second page, again, is still the example, and it has the page divided into 4 different sections. It explains what science is, what it is not, a definition from class or reading, and also examples. So this whole entire thing that I've shown, the vocabulary first page for science and this second page are all examples. Here's the third page of the example. However, it's done on that first page. Students just need to add some pictures to what they've done. So this is what one vocab page would look like. It would be a front with the words and pictures, and it would be a back with what it is not, definitions from class, or examples. So that's basically what the papers would look like if your child decides to do it in their notebook. Now, I have also shared with all the kids a Google Doc, and it should say 2016-2017 Science Vocabulary. They can access this on their Google Chromebook by looking in the bottom left-hand corner, and there's a little symbol or button that looks similar to this document home page here. So as you can see, I've essentially included exactly what the, notebook page would look like. However, it is a digital copy. So here's the word. The word is optical. Your son or daughter would need to look up the part of speech in a dictionary or an online dictionary. They need to find a related word and what part of speech that related word comes from. Then they would scroll down. They would explain what this word optical is, what it is not, the definition from class, and an example or examples. Okay, then the last step for this first word, optical, would be to come back and add some pictures in the bottom of the page. Okay, so the first word is optical. The second word is illusion. The third word is physical illusion. The fourth word is conclusions. And the fifth word should be on each of the kids' pages. If students cannot find the word, so for example, I did not include it here because students can go to Edmodo and find that information there. In the future, I started the students with everything that they need here, but they will need to go to Edmodo like they will for this word, and they can find that information there. I hope this helps and makes the weekend go more smoothly with this assignment.